Yo, good morning. So welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we will start a series checking out the different outlet shops here in San Jose. So pupuntahan natin yung Great Mall, pupuntahan natin yung Gilroy, tapos later on in another episode, we will check out, I think, one of the more premium ones, which is Livermore. But before anything else, bago tayo pumunta sa Great Mall, which is our first outlet shop, meron lang ako bagong smartphone na gustong pakita sa inyo. So this is something that I recently unboxed and this was just released in the Philippines. This is the Realme 9 Pro Plus. Now you're probably wondering what makes this smartphone special. Well, in a nutshell, this smartphone is a mid-range device, so hindi siya ganun kamahal, but at the same time, it has a flagship level camera. So nakikita nyo yung camera na yan? That's a Sony IMX766 with optical image stabilization. That's a camera that you usually see with higher end devices. But now you can get it with this mid-range smartphone from Realme. In fact, mamaya, bibigyan natin to kay Mrs. tapos magpipicture-picture shots, pakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga shots na nakuha niya with this camera. Apart from that, and the internal specs, which we'll talk about in a bit, this is also the first phone that Realme used their photochromism technique to be able to build the overall design and look of the device. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Basically, they use a 3-layer film process to be able to create that super nice shiny look with those vertical bars para medyo nagda-dance yung ilaw every time the light hits the device. So parang nagbabago siya every time you look at it from different angles. It also has a monster processor. It uses the MediaTek 925G Dimensity processor. So ibig sabihin nun, apart from being able to do your favorite games, kung ano man yung paborito nyo laruin, you should be able to enjoy the fastest internet possible back in the Philippines with 5G. Para sa mga naubusan dyan ng battery, mabilisan, yung mga power users, yung good news is you can actually charge this very fast. This one uses the 60-watt super dart charge. So in just a matter of minutes, you should be able to get a lot of power back if you plug it for charging. Now, para naman sa mga particular sa display tsaka sa screen, yung mga mahilig manood ng movies, Netflix, the great news is this has a 90 Hz refresh rate, super AMOLED display. Again, all of those features packed into a mid-range device makes it a really capable, nice smartphone. Now, at this point in the vlog, we'll take it out. Magbre-breakfast lang kami ni Mrs. And then we'll take a couple of shots. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga pictures that we're able to take with this amazing smartphone from Realme. And then after that, we'll head on over to the outlet at Great Mall and tingnan natin kung ano yung makita natin doon. Let's go! Dito na kami sa Great Mall. May Jollibee siya. May Jollibee siya dito, guys. So, chicken burger spaghetti. So yun yung sign, Great Mall. So one of the first 3 outlets na bibisitahin natin. Medyo malaki siya. Naalala mo to, babe? Punta tayo dito. So let's see what inside. $5.99 ang chicken wich dito, guys. May spicy tsaka original. Magkano yung 250? 300?
300 pesos?
Kailangan natin i-testing yan. So ito mo, ang 6-piece, $14. Mga mahal. US prices. So ito ang Great Mall. Oh, may pila ang Jollibee, oh. Gusto mo sumakay, babe?
No.
So indoor, mostly yata indoor to, no? Oh, parang Pinas lang, oh. May potato corner din. So, nandito tayo. Punta tayo dito kasi meron Adidas outlet, may New Balance outlet, may Under Armour outlet, Foot Locker, tapos yung Nike. So daanan natin lahat yan in today's episode. Medyo madami-dami to. Let's go! Ngayon, ewan ko kung napansin nyo, guys, this one is not as, like yung mga super premium outlets. I think yun yung makikita natin sa Livermore. This is more an accessible outlet. Itsura pa lang, pero tingnan natin, baka may makita tayong magandang finds dito. Ayun, New Balance, tapos Adidas. Let's go! Puro trail shoes. Oh, nice. Training shoes. Trail walking 8130. Silip tayo sa Under Armour. Baka may Project Rock. Bah, yun nga, Project Rock. Yun! Medyas! Ay, nahanap ko. Ang ganda ng blue, tapos yung black tsaka yellow. Ang angas. So galing na kami Under Armour. Ito na yung mga napagbibili natin sa damakmak na Project Rock na equipment. From backpacks to socks to boxers. Tsaka mga mask. Yun lang, pakita ko lang sa inyo.
Rules for a great picture.
Talagang ginagawa natin to.
Stand up straight. Nobody likes a sloucher.
So stand up straight daw.
2, keep your eyes open when you're taking the photo.
Okay.
Unless you're kissing someone. In that case, keep your eyes closed. And hope your husband or wife doesn't see these photos.
What?
Alright? We're gonna take some photos now. 4 of them. So, are you ready? Let's
Wow. Ang cute naman.
Okay na lang.
Parang huling beses ginawa natin to college, no? So sa Adidas guys, medyo malungkot. We took a look at the shoes. The only one that got my attention was an Ultra Boost. Parang cold ready siya na mukhang Game of Thrones because of the icy blue color. Everything else are sneakers that you would normally find. I mean, in outlets or in normal Adidas shops. So hindi siya sobrang nakaka-excite. I mean, there were Ultra Boosts. There were a few collabs including some of the Pharrells. But man, hindi talaga siya super impressive to the point na, at least for my taste, na natuwa ako. I think this one is really more for apparel kasi napakadaming hoodies. Pero when it comes to kicks and to sneakers, hindi ganun katindi yung selection dito sa Adidas over at Great Mall. We did find a Shoe Palace shop over at Great Mall, pero hindi super outlet prices. So it kind of felt like more like a retail shop, at least for the sneakers. Pero pagdating sa apparel, again, nandun yung mga discounts. So actually, the vibe I'm getting from this overall shopping experience so far is that this outlet is geared towards, again, more apparel, hoodie, shirts, pants, track pants, jackets, and other types of athleisure wear than the sneakers themselves. Siguro sa lahat ng mga shops na nadaanan natin, pinaka natuwa ako was the Foot Locker shop. Mainly because this was the shop with the New Balance sneakers. And you guys know I'm a huge fan of New Balance. There were a lot of the 990 V5s in gray. Unfortunately, retail siya SRP $185, which is still considerably cheaper buying it here kasi sa Pilipinas, ang bentahan niya nasa 12 to 13,000. While here, you can get it pretty much in any size for $185, which should be around 10,000 pesos. They also had a nice 992, yata to, if I'm not mistaken, in some sort of like blue, light blue, turquoise colorway. Look absolutely sick. Again, if you're a New Balance fan, I think you'll love it here. And yeah, apart from that, a bunch of other sneakers, blazers, na nakakaaliw naman tingnan, no? So that's the Foot Locker here at Great Mall. Okay, pagpasok naman natin dito sa Nike Factory, dito ako pinaka-disappointed. Actually, wala pa ako. Yung Nike Factory lang yata natuwa ako was nung nakita ko ng BB Adapt. But dito naman, there wasn't one single shoe that stood out. I mean, you had the usual basketball shoes, the LeBrons, but most of them are really, really old models. You have the running sneakers, the usual Infinity React, the usual Invincible React. There were a couple of Air Monarchs pa nga available. There was this nice looking slide na para siyang UGG. Nakakatuwa siya actually, munti ko nang bilhin eh. It was selling for around $50 to $60, pero hindi ko alam kailan ko siya suotin sa Pilipinas, so I didn't pull the trigger. If there's one sneaker, the entire Nike outlet that almost got me to buy, it was this really sick looking Presto React Flyknit. So yung upper niya was Flyknit, one of the most comfortable upper materials. And then the midsole, of course, had the React midsole, one of the most super comfortable, mushy, cloud-like materials that you can use for a midsole of a sneaker. Actually, yung pinaka-redeeming shopping experience namin dito sa Great Mall, apart from Under Armour, was their Tumi outlet shop. Yung Tumi kasi, yung outlet before, karamihan ng mga nakikita mo dyan are bags and other products that they have that wouldn't have the customizable nameplate. So dyan mo pwede lagay yung initials mo. But this one had a lot, as in a lot of previous season models na pwede mong pa-customize, from the Alpha Bravo backpacks, to the sleeves, to the body bags, to the shoulder bags, to even luggage. I mean, even the accessory bags na binibenta ng medyo sobrang mahal sa Pilipinas, you can buy it here at half, if not 60% off the price. So if you're a big Tumi fan, this is the best Tumi outlet to shop in, or the best Tumi place I've seen so far to shop at. Kasi sobrang panalo ng mga deals and ng product lineup that they have over here at Tumi at Great Mall. So overall, yun ang ating pinaka naging shopping experience sa Great Mall. Hindi siya ganun ka-impressive. Pinaka natuwa na ako really was the Under Armour and the Tumi. Nike, Adidas, New Balance, all of them were pretty much disappointing. The ambiance of the place wasn't really that good. I mean, it was an indoor outlet. Pero yung vibe niya, hindi ko masyado feel. At least may Jollibee, di ba? Tsaka Potato Corner. Pero excited to check out the next outlet. So we're going to check out Gilroy. And then we're going to check out Livermore. And then I'll probably do a wrap-up comparing the three outlet shops here in San Jose/San Francisco area. So yun, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. See you next time. Another outlet episode maybe. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom. So guys, babe, kaway ka naman dyan. Yun, isa sa mga restaurant na gusto namin kainin for a while now, kasi ang laki-laki niya dito, is yung Cheesecake Factory. So pumunta kami dito na maaga. Hindi ko lang alam kung may upuan sila for brunch. So tingnan natin. Masarap ang cheesecake pang breakfast. Cheesecake and eggs. May ganun ba? O cheesecake and bacon, babe. Nakakain ka na ba dito? Ano masarap? Wow. Ayos ah.
Dessert.
Ito na guys. Cheesecake Factory. Ay, sarado.
Antay tayo. Bukas siya ng 11. So 10 minutes.
Yung. May ganun talaga.
Good morning.
Morning. Ito guys, egg roll sampler. So different types of egg rolls, tas may different sauces. Woo! Ito yung egg roll sampler. Alin yung testing natin? Ito? Tas paano malaman saan sinasawsaw? Hula-hula na lang?
I guess.
Since dito siya malapit, siguro dito. Panalo. So, guys, ito na yung miso salmon namin. So, giant slab of salmon on top of white rice. Tapos ito yung kay Mitch.
Chicken and biscuit.
Grabe.
Carbs, carbs, carbs!
Let's go.